For decades, Volkswagen camper vans represented freedom, adventure, and life on the open road. From the legendary VW bus of the 1960s to modern camper conversions, the brand built a loyal following among travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Now, Volkswagen is bringing that dream back to America with a new electric twist. The company has officially announced a camping version of its electric ID, Buzz, marking the first factory Volkswagen camper van offered in the United States in more than 20 years. And surprisingly, the camping equipment package could cost less than $3,000. So what exactly is Volkswagen offering, and could this become America's most affordable factory camper van? Let's find out. The return of the VW camper. Volkswagen recently confirmed that the ID. Buzz will return to the American market as part of its 2027 vehicle lineup. But this time, the electric van is getting something special. A new model called the ID. Buzz Tourer 4Motion will include factory-installed camping equipment designed for overnight adventures. This is significant because Volkswagen hasn't offered a factory camper van in the United States since 2003. For camper van fans, this announcement represents the return of a legendary tradition. Why the ID? Buzz needs a boost. The original American launch of the ID. Buzz didn't go exactly as Volkswagen hoped. Despite generating excitement because of its retro styling, the electric van struggled to attract buyers. Sales were disappointing enough that Volkswagen skipped the 2026 model year entirely in the United States. Many experts believe the vehicle's pricing and limited practicality contributed to the weak demand. Now Volkswagen hopes a camping-focused version can attract a broader audience and give buyers a stronger reason to choose the electric van. The Good Night Package. While Volkswagen has not yet revealed official American pricing, the company recently launched a camping kit in Germany that gives us a very good idea of what the US version will include. It's called the Good Night Package. The package costs approximately €2,600, which converts to around $2,950 US dollars. That makes it one of the most affordable factory camping upgrades available today. The package transforms the ID. Buzz into a simple but functional two-person camper. What's included? The centerpiece of the package is a folding bed system. A special bed frame fits over the folded rear seats and supports a large mattress measuring approximately 79 inches long and 47 inches wide. This creates a comfortable sleeping space for two adults. Volkswagen also includes blackout window covers that help block outside light and provide privacy during overnight stays. Ventilation grills fit into the front windows, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping the vehicle secure. And for outdoor relaxation, buyers receive a camping table and two folding chairs. It's a minimalist camping setup, but it includes the essentials needed for weekend adventures. Climate control for 48 hours. One of the most interesting features is Volkswagen's new overnight mode. Because the ID. Buzz is fully electric, it can power climate control systems without running a gasoline engine. Overnight mode allows the van to maintain a comfortable interior temperature for up to 48 hours while parked. That means campers can sleep in air-conditioned comfort during hot weather or stay warm on chilly nights. This feature could be a major selling point for people who enjoy camping but don't want to sacrifice comfort. What IT doesn't include. While the new camper package sounds exciting, it's important to understand what Volkswagen is not offering. Unlike Volkswagen's famous California camper vans sold in Europe, the American Tourer 4Motion will not include a pop-up roof. There is also no built-in kitchen, no refrigerator, no sink, and no indoor cooking equipment. Instead, Volkswagen has chosen a lightweight camping approach focused primarily on sleeping and outdoor living. Some buyers may find this disappointing, while others may appreciate the simplicity and lower cost. Possible camper van bargain. Although Volkswagen hasn't released official pricing for the 2027 American models, analysts expect the Tourer 4Motion to fall somewhere in the mid to high $60,000 range. Current ID. Buzz models sold in America start around $61,000 and can exceed $69,000 depending on trim level. That means the camper version could potentially become one of the least expensive brand new factory camper vans available in the United States. Compared with traditional camper vans that often cost well over $100,000, the Volkswagen could offer a much more accessible entry point into van life. Vehicle-to-load power. Another exciting feature available in Europe is vehicle-to-load capability. This technology allows the ID. Buzz to act like a giant mobile battery. Owners can power equipment directly from the van, including coffee makers, portable refrigerators, camping lights, e-bike chargers, and many other outdoor accessories. Volkswagen says the system can provide up to 2,000 watts of power. The company has not yet confirmed whether American models will receive this feature, but many camping enthusiasts hope it will be included. Why this matters? The camper van market continues to grow rapidly. More people are looking for affordable ways to travel, work remotely, and explore the outdoors. Traditional RVs can be expensive and difficult to drive. Large camper vans often cost six figures. Volkswagen's approach offers a different solution. A practical daily driver during the week. A comfortable camper on weekends. And all powered by electricity. If Volkswagen can keep pricing competitive, the ID. Buzz Tourer 4Motion could attract both camping enthusiasts and electric vehicle buyers. Conclusion. Volkswagen's return to the American camper van market marks an important moment for both the company and outdoor travel enthusiasts. The new ID. Buzz Tourer 4Motion won't be a full-featured luxury motorhome. But with a comfortable bed, privacy system, outdoor furniture, climate control, and potentially vehicle-powered camping capabilities, it offers a simple and affordable way to enjoy life on the road. Now all eyes are on Volkswagen as buyers wait for final pricing and availability details. Will the electric ID. Buzz finally become the camper van America has been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy this electric camper van for your next adventure? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more camper van and RV news.